size is it, a 12?
Yes.
Yeah, I just use a 13.
Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more. What you say?
Junkyard number 1. Zip. Junkyard number 2. Oh.
No.
Try number 3. Junkyard number 3.
Nah.
Nope. Do you want to keep going or are you done?
I mean,
It's up to you.
nah.
You done?
I don't want to go anywhere else.
Do you want to go to CJ's?
They don't have any.
Kyle just ran out of the car in the middle of traffic and ran to 7-Eleven.
Sick, should I get him now?
Fuck. What a dunce.
Sick bike rack, bro.
Going to a car meet. Okay, so it's windy. We're probably gonna leave this meet soon. We gotta go put his fenders. What else are we doing? O2 sensor?
Swapping the wheels.
Swapping his wheels because of directional tires, which we've been saying for the past 3 videos. And then, yeah.
Yo, throw the hatch out, bro.
The hatch?
Yeah, throw it up.
That could be you.
I don't want to talk about it.
That literally could have been you because you're gonna buy one. Silver. OEM.
OEM everything.
OEM everything.
Before you press that button, if you have the Z out there, please do not put a sign.
What?
What?
He's about to fucking destroy all
Yeah.
Come in quietly and leave quietly. Thank you.
Gabe, you land a kickflip right now, I'll give you $20. You almost busted your ass.
Woo! 20 bucks mission. No, I'm kidding.
Shit.
Alright, let's go put these fenders on.
Oh, where's the light? Where's the light? Where's your light switch?
Behind the door.
Oh man.
Let's go put these fenders on.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that?
Boys.
Operation D-Rice the 350Z Fenders time.
Let's go put these on.
Oh my goodness.
Alright, boys, let's get her done. Let's get her done, boys.
That's part of being in the backyard.
Let's go. I think you need to tell everybody why your fenders look like that again.
Like what?
Like that. Oh, like that.
So, I ordered new fenders. They came in fucked. Not this fucked, but fucked. And I hit them up and they're like, listen, they're fucked. Send me a replacement. And then they were like, okay, but before we can do that, you need to do a field beyond something. I can't think of the word. I can't think of it. Destroy beyond use. A field destroyed beyond use. And then, yeah.
And now he got a new one sent to him. Put it on. It's a nice jacket. It's a warm jacket. It's not a nice jacket, but it's a warm jacket.
You get this off.
That's American Eagle. My uncle gave it to me when I used to work with him.
What the fuck is this?
I mean, it's big on me. You're bigger than me. It's warm, so deal with it. It's looking like a runway model.
What'd you say? Nope. Did you do this already?
It doesn't matter. It's coming off.
Did you
It came
just
in
buy
like
this?
that.
Oh.
Kind of.
Dude, where do you order your shit? Not everything comes in broken.
Car ID.
I don't like to talk about it.
Stop buying shit from Car ID. Stop it.
That was a placeholder.
Stop it. It is a placeholder. And you can buy your kit right now,
I could.
but he's not gonna buy it right now because he doesn't like you guys. So now we gotta wait.
Because if for some bullshit I don't pass inspection, I want to be able to pay for it.
Oh god, we got a CJ on a D-Rice vid. You brought tools. That's a bad sign.
They're too big.
And a sandwich. You brought bolts that are too big?
That's why it's hat inch, but it's whatever. I'm still putting these fuckers in.
CJ's like, no, you're not.
This will impact him right now.
Pit stop.
He's so proud of
You
it.
gotta sand this shit down, my friend.
Did you ever?
Yeah.
Was that the opening scene for the D-Right?
These are the sick fenders that we're putting on the car.
Did you just come with the cover?
It's like tinfoil. You just gotta
Why did you like completely?
like that. We're good. They
You
go
probably
on.
could have resold them like how they came.
I'm not gonna do it. I'll say that.
Perfect. Yeah. What is your car leaking? Because it's like expanding.
What, that?
Yeah.
Water. Water or a rotted brake line? It's water. At least I think it's water.
Theoretically,
Why
it's
do you
water.
smell
It
oil?
wouldn't stain like that.
No, you're not gonna smell it. Just go into the car and look.
Brake fluid.
Fuck it.
Brake fluid and gas lines and all that. Is it water?
It'll be.
It's water.
The second you took your hand out, it was water.
Taste it.
No, it smells like water. What'd you say?
I said, could you open the door?
What'd you say about junk rat mains?
They're fucking garbage.
Alright,
They
you're
don't
staying
know
back
how to- they
there.
have
You're staying back
shit
there.
aim.
Play the game, every game, boy.
Garbage.
You're
All
done
you have to-
now.
All you have to do is
You're
aim
done
and
now.
shoot. You're done now.
Oh, you fixed the fenders back there?
Yeah.
It's impressive. You should have just destroyed one and kept the other one and sold it. Or kept it for like an extra. You should bend these back out, and if you ever go to the track, throw them on.
No, that's a terrible idea. The bolts line up, it's never gonna line up.
No, it's fine. They'll go on. It's a Nissan.
It's like 3/4 of an inch thick.
We thought we were getting pulled over after the meet.
Yo,
Cop
hold up
shot
right
behind
behind
me
me.
was fighting.
So,
Yo, did you guys see the chicks in the 350?
yes, that's why we thought. Wait, that's why we thought we got pulled over.
Yo.
Because I told Gabe, I was like, yo, that 350's flying.
We were high. I
I
said
thought.
it too. 'Cause Anton's like,
Don't worry, Shan won't
I
know.
was like, that girl's
And then there was a
flying.
chick on the way
Are
home.
you videoing?
I sent it on Snapchat in our group chat, and it was a fucking dude. It was a chick in a clean ass S13 Vert.
Was it the red one?
Yeah.
I drove by it.
Yeah. I cruised with her all the way, fucking right up the southern.
Oh, so you were right behind us
Yeah,
then.
you're right with
Yeah,
us.
I was light behind you.
Fucking the cop shot behind him, turned their lights on, went behind me. I was like, fuck.
I look around and
Hey, yeah, but the 350 was to my right, and the cop pulled up behind me. I was like, fuck. So I started pulling over, and then the cop looked at Gabe and shook her head like, no, and then pulled her because she was flying.
She got right out of
Yeah,
the
she was fucking zooming down that
Anton's
street.
like, he's flying. I was like, she's flying. Anton's like, wait, what?
I didn't even see what they did.
They were flying. What was the speed limit on that street? Probably 30?
35
Ow.
max.
Yeah, she was doing a good 60. 60, 70.
I thought I was getting pulled over though.
You're scratching your door, my friend.
My door?
Yeah.
Fuck the door.
You're scratching your beautiful blue paint.
It's gorgeous, ain't it?
What was even wrong with the stock? The stock?
They were shot because of those Lambo doors. They're cooked.
Was this respray or this just need like this?
What happened when you used to drive it? What happened to your fenders?
Can you mic him? Can you mic him and have him do that sound?
What'd you do with the fenders?
I drove these things.
And what happened?
On the hood of
So this car will be on the road hopefully in the next 2 weeks.
I already have the registration form in my house.
Sucking niggas
I just
in.
have to fill
Whoa. Whoa.
Or something.
Yo, whoa, whoa.
Oh.
What are these bolts? What are you even doing, boy? I brought this shit for you.
it. That shit is.
Work smarter.
Nice.
You're done now.
You're done now.
What you doing?
This shit keeps fucking up. I don't understand. It's supposed to align with these holes down here.
Down here.
Anything aftermarket in the doors?
I mean,
Well, it
On
was
that
Lambo
side- on that
doors.
side, yeah. There's the speakers on that side.
Like more
Speaker
So we're trying to figure out as to why Adrian's window won't go up anymore. Because it got dropped when they were switching the hinges out.
What are you talking about?
They got hinges.
They have Lambo doors.
And
I
Lambo
thought this
doors.
kid's talking to me and he's talking up a camera.
Hey, how are you?
So today we're gonna jump these.
My camera's dying. Oh no!
Yo, your camera was bugging the fuck out in the car.
Poor savages and their D-Rice videos.
Savages None today.
That's what he calls them. He calls them savages.
Yo, just look at this tape, Chow.
Dude, do you know how many times?
I just realized how bad this is.
Do you know how many times he probably has done this?
It was already raining and I had to throw it on. There, bro, there's two. There's the black bag
I know,
and
yeah,
another
I
piece
see.
of plastic.
Sick. Did any
Guys,
get?
look.
Send help.
Sealed.
Did any get in?
Sealed.
Did
Look at
any
the seal.
did any water get in? So you're good. That's it. It's golden. Oh yeah, the storm drain exhaust. Look at that. Look, it's fucking. Look at how mint they are.
Like 6 or 7 wires here, not attached to anything.
Nice.
CJ, you can now ask the man that dropped the
that's not
door
even in the
what the fuck
fucking-
he did.
Man who dropped door.
Man who dropped door.
Man who dropped door.
Yo, come
Come
here.
over here, man who dropped
What did you
door.
do over here?
He's not gonna even know what he
You broke it in the door. You broke. Oh.
お前はもう死んでいる。何？
Did drop it.
You had 6 fingers for it.
Bro, the shit popped up. What are you talking
And you dropped it.
I didn't drop the door. The shit was on the jack the whole time.
Fight. No? Nobody else?
It's over.
Mandingo fight.
Hey.
Hey, how are you? Somebody.
Crimping is here that don't do anything. And I'm sure it's supposed to do something. And then you got like 8,000 other crimps here that's not supposed to be here.
Pretty much.
It's fixable.
Bring it to his house.
It's fixable.
It's called Butcher.
CJ's dead. Dude, that just.
I like this better. No, leave it.
It's actually probably way warmer in
He
there.
got fucking engulfed.
There's literally no wood. Can't really see what you're doing.
How to work on cars in the wind. CJ died. CJ died. Your entire cover engulfed him.
I heard screaming.
Oh man, what's going on down there?
What did I just see? What was that face?
What?
What did you?
I was like, bro, that's gonna be.
Gabe's getting a nice one right now.
I'm giving him light.
Take your windows off for the back.
You're showing him the light?
Nah, it's actually kind of dark.
Ew.
Fucking.
Do it.
You just gave me.
Wait, what are you doing?
Are you in gear?
It's a neutral.
I'm just making sure.
Alright.
So you don't kill anyone.
Alright.
Hurry up.
Alright.
Camera's gonna die. Listen to that storm drain exhaust.
I'm the evil ghost.
Mr. Adrian.
You like your new antenna?
Mr. Adrian.
You got the new antenna.
Where you took out the mesh, you want to just fill it? What? Where you took out the mesh, you want to just fill it? Instead of buying a new kit.
Bondo?
Yeah, well, fiberglass.
Fiberglass. I would fiberglass over it.
It was like it's never there.
I'd do all that before you start going cosmetic. Let it rock as is.
What are you positive?
Yeah, this is the pre-face.
Diseases?
He doesn't think these are OEM, but they are.
Is it all?
He's looking it up.
It's not OEM.
He doesn't want to believe it. That shit's fugly.
That's such a tiny projector that's useless. That probably does nothing.
I mean, the taillights aren't horrible. I mean, except that one's missing.
fucked up.
Eh.
I mean, it's passable. Like the person.
Alright, well, this camera keeps dying, so we might just do the bumper. We might just fix everything.
This kid's out here recording on his phone now because his camera died.
How you doing out here? Alright, so you got your fenders on. You're a happy man. Not really.
I have to readjust them, and then that's it. They'll be.
We might just work with the body kit he has. Unless he wants to buy
We'll
a
see.
kit right now. We don't know yet.
I'm not buying it now. I told you. I have
You
to
have
see.
skirts?
Huh?
You have skirts?
Yeah, they're inside.
Why are they not on?
Pull the squirts out.
Sporty.
I just haven't gotten around to it. That's staying there forever. I'm never taking
What does it say, Adrian?
Adrian sucks.
It's
Boy.
So, that.
Get done now!
He was like fucking like.
Oh, that. No, I'm talking about in the parking lot.
Oh, that time. That was funny as hell
That's the
too.
same day.
No, there was another occasion we were in a car in the park.